sign on to the NOVaTime system, you will need to complete two initial steps. The first is to sign on to the Connectra network. This is TEMCO's virtual private network, or VPN, that allows you to securely access the TEMCO NOVaTime system from any location using Internet Explorer. The URL, or web address, will be supplied to you by the TEMCO IT department. To access the site, click on the link supplied or paste the address into your browser. The screen shown here will appear in your browser. You will need to enter your username supplied to you by the IT department, along with your password. Then, click Sign In. Once logged into the VPN, click the NOVaTime link to access the NOVaTime Supervisor login screen. Remember, you first have to log into Connectra and then log into NOVaTime. When the NOVaTime login screen appears, enter your username and enter your password. These will be supplied to you by the IT department. Then click Login. The first screen that you will see when you log into NOVaTime is a screen from the Attendance module. You will always know which part of the system you are in because there is a pointer underneath the icon for that module in the icon tray, which appears in the top right-hand section of all NOVaTime screens. We'll come back to the Attendance module in a few minutes, but first we'll review the other NOVaTime modules and talk about what each is used for and what, if any, interaction you will have with each. TEMCO is currently not using the Scheduler module. Schedules are automatically generated based on the shift an employee is assigned. More on that later. The Employee module holds all pertinent information for each employee in the system. Notice the Group drop-down box. This choice determines how employees will be grouped and sorted. This drop-down box sorts by company, business unit, job, and work order. By clicking Company, the employees that report to you will be displayed. There are several tabs that hold different types of information that the company and the time and attendance system may require. There are two very important fields on the General Employee tab: Pay Policy and Shift Number. The combination of these two fields determines how NOVaTime will display scheduled information and apply rules to the raw punch data to generate hours. If based on the punch data you see for a particular employee, the hours being calculated by the system do not look correct, check these fields. Ask the IT department for help if you think there is a problem. The Report module allows you to view, customize, graph, and print data from the NOVaTime system. When you have a little more experience with the system, you'll be able to create your own reports that give you just the information you need. But there are also more than 40 standard reports. The Preferences module holds information pertaining to the user. This module will be used when you need to change your password. To do this, click the Change Password button. Type the new password into the new password line. Then, re-enter your password in the Verify password line and click Confirm. Your password has now been changed, and this is now the password that will be required when you sign on to NOVaTime. Thank you for viewing Part 1. To continue with the tutorial, please view the YouTube video TEMCO NOVaTime Tutorial for SWS Part 2.